Number 1, 1970 Ford F100, 4,250 Chanhassen, Minnesota. This 1973 Ford F100 is a well-maintained classic pickup that has been carefully revived after spending years in storage. Formerly a South Dakota vehicle, it has a solid 390 V8 engine paired with a 2-barrel carburetor, making it a reliable driver. The truck received extensive maintenance, including a rebuilt carburetor, a new muffler, and an exhaust gasket. Additionally, the interior has been refreshed with a new seat and headliner, and the manual brakes and power steering are fully functional. The bright yellow paint highlights its vintage charm. It's a rare F100 model, offering a combination of reliability and uniqueness, ideal for enthusiasts seeking a fun-to-drive classic truck. Two, 1971 Ford F100 long bed, $3,500, San Bernardino, California. This 1971 Ford F100 long bed is a solid project truck with potential. It features a V8 engine and factory air conditioning, although its title is currently missing. The Sport Custom trim level adds to its appeal, and its robust body structure offers a good foundation for restoration. The automatic transmission ensures ease of use, and the overall condition indicates a well-preserved classic waiting to be revitalized. This is a great opportunity for those willing to invest some time and effort to bring this vintage pickup back to life. Three, 1972 Chevrolet C10, $9,000, Denver, Colorado. An exceptional example of a classic American pickup. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 long bed is powered by a strong 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The body is in excellent shape with minimal to no Bondo, and it has been primed, ready for paint. Mechanically, it runs without leaks, and all features, including heat, lights, wipers, and turn signals, are fully operational. With only 10,000 miles shown, odometer rolled over, this truck combines reliability and style, making it a fantastic choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a solid, straight-bodied C10. 4, 1976 Chevrolet pickup, $7,900, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1976 Chevrolet pickup in the desirable square-body Cheyenne configuration is a rust-free Arizona vehicle with a 350 engine and a 350 automatic transmission. It features power steering, power brakes, and brand new tires, alongside freshly replaced front brakes. Although it's mechanically complete, it requires some servicing to reach its full potential. With its clean title and classic blue paint, this truck offers a solid investment for enthusiasts seeking an iconic square-body Chevy with minimal rust issues. 5, 1979 Toyota long bed pickup, $3,750. A reliable and mostly original example of Japanese engineering. This 1979 Toyota pickup retains its factory wheel covers, 20R engine, and 4-speed manual transmission. Despite 139,000 miles, it runs well and includes new front brake calipers. The truck has rust in the bed and driver's floorboard, and its interior needs attention. While a manual choke installation is pending, the included part makes it a manageable project. This Toyota offers an affordable entry point into classic truck ownership, with potential for restoration or use as a functional workhorse. 6, 1979 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 to 7000, Kentucky. This 1979 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 is a one-owner 4x4 short bed truck with 82,333 original miles. It boasts a completely replaced braking system, including stainless steel brake lines and a new master cylinder, ensuring dependable stopping power. Equipped with custom JEG steering components, a gear-driven transfer case, and a rust-free frame, this truck combines rugged reliability with modern upgrades. Although it needs a new water pump, its overall condition makes it a standout choice for those seeking a classic 4x4 pickup. Seven, 1977 Chevrolet K20 Camper Special, $3,000, San Antonio, Texas. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 Camper Special offers a strong running 350 engine paired with a 373 gear ratio and 4 WD capability. It features new Rancho shocks, dual exhaust, and factory air conditioning needs servicing. The truck shows rust in the bed and front fenders and has some body dents, but its robust mechanicals make it a worthwhile restoration candidate. At this price, it's a practical option for someone looking to restore a reliable, heavy-duty classic truck. Eight, 1972 Ford F250, $6,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1972 Ford F250 Ranger Camper Special has a rich history, originating in California and Oregon before coming to the Midwest. It features a 390 FE engine, 3-speed automatic transmission, and front disc brakes. The Swiss aqua paint hints at its original 3-tone scheme. While the odometer is broken, the truck is mechanically sound and ideal for small hauls or cruising. Its frame shows only surface rust, and though the cab corners and drip rail need attention, it remains a strong candidate for preservation or restoration. Hashbar 9, 1964 Chevrolet C10, $7,500, Andover, Minnesota. This 1964 Chevrolet C10 features a straight 6 engine with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. Recent updates include a refurbished seat, but the truck has rust in typical areas like the rocker panels and quarter panels. Despite minor issues like a broken speedometer and taillight, it runs well and has a clean title. With its timeless design and manageable restoration needs, this C10 is a great option for classic truck enthusiasts. Just #10, 1966 International Harvester 1100A, $3,450, Branson, Missouri. This 1966 International Harvester 1100A is a rare find with a 304 V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. It runs, drives, and stops with new brake and clutch master cylinders, a rebuilt Holley carburetor, and a new battery. However, it needs a fuel tank repair and radiator work. The bench seat has been reupholstered, enhancing the interior's appeal. With its rugged design and reasonable price, this truck is perfect for restoration enthusiasts. $11, 1967 Chevrolet El Camino, $7,000, Panola, California. A rust-free body sets this 1967 Chevrolet El Camino apart, offering a blank canvas for restoration. It features a factory 3-on-the-tree manual transmission but lacks an engine and transmission. The car's structural integrity and originality make it an excellent candidate for a custom build or restoration project. $12, 1965 Ford F100 Custom Cab, $15,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1965 Ford F100 Custom Cab is a factory short bed model with a 352 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has been meticulously preserved as a two-owner Arizona truck, featuring rust-free cab corners, supports, and floors. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt carburetor, new brakes, tires, and dual exhaust. The Wimbledon white and Arcadian blue paint scheme is original, as is the clean interior. This high-quality example represents one of the finest vintage Ford trucks available in its price range.